This week I have a very simple obstacle course for you. Really just used a lot of random clip art and came up with some weird scenarios just to kind of make it fun. Download this for a limited time for free on my website, excelobstaclecourse.com. This is just called Random Xlock. If you look in the description, I have a link. Let's walk through it. Basically, in this sheet, certain objects move, others do not. This is fixed, this is fixed. So if I want to move the trumpet, I get to the left of it and do Control spacebar to highlight an entire column and Control plus sign. And what it's doing is it's inserting columns to the left of the trumpet, moving it to the right. Now, if you move it over too far, you're going to go behind the sign, not be able to see it. So avoid the sign. And now I'm going to use Shift spacebar to highlight an entire row, Control plus sign. Just hold down plus sign. If I go too far, I can back it up with subtract. So that's basically just adding and subtracting rows on top of the trumpet. So Control spacebar again, Control plus sign to put it right by his ear. You get better with adjusting it to achieve maximum annoyance. All right, moving sheets, Control, page down. It's 4:55 on a Friday. Patricia's trying to leave, but we're going to be annoying and give her a meeting. I don't really condone this. I'm sorry I put this one in there, to be honest with you. But, Shift spacebar. If I hold down Shift, I can press down and go all the way down here, kind of warp it all the way up by Control minus sign. And then go to the left of it, Control spacebar. Add in columns, Control plus sign, till we hit her in the head with the meeting. Control page down. Dante owes you a pile of money. The money is the mobile piece of this. I could just do Control spacebar, Control minus sign, basically deleting what's to the left of the money. I don't want it to vanish behind there. I'm going to switch to rows, Shift spacebar, Control plus sign. Just hold down Control and tap plus sign or hold it down. Now Control spacebar, Control minus sign to bring it over and behind the piggy bank. Control page down, dog. The cowboy hat needs to go on the dog's head. He's sad. He wants his cowboy hat. And the guy stole it, is getting a haircut, and he's not looking. So, Control spacebar, Control minus sign. I guess we can go in front of the sign on this one. Shift spacebar, Control plus sign, move it down. So we're going to keep moving it down until it's nicely on his head. Again, free for a limited time. You want to download this at excelobstaclecourse.com. Just a silly puzzle I put together. And guys, one thing that's important to know about this is that in certain positions, we can't pull or push an object. Or, let's say that you have text. Let's say it's text, right? So if I wanted to move it back over here, I have to be the left of it. But if I'm over here to the right of it, it goes nowhere. It's almost like if I'm pulling fabric towards the edge, if I'm pulling fabric, it's coming closer to the edge. But if I'm pulling fabric, it's coming towards the edge, but it's just pulling fabric. There's nothing under it, if that makes any sense. Analogy I came up with on the fly. Same with here. If I'm closest to the edge, I'm pulling the fabric, pulling the tablecloth, and it's coming towards me. But if I'm on the wrong side of it, it doesn't go anywhere. So just one principle of adding and subtracting rows and columns as a whole. Again, mainly this is just for fun for beginners who want to get good at adding and subtracting, navigating Excel on the basic level. If you're just beginning shortcuts or you want to get into them, this is not a bad place to start. Thanks for watching.